The Scans Cordless drill driver provides 16+1 torque settings for chuck selection. Using the electric-powered drill driver kit could provide a more accurate operation for drilling and screwing, helping you to control the depth of your drilling without causing any damage. The 3/8-inch cordless drill driver accepts a wide range of bits, and the keyless chuck allows you to rotate the chuck to tighten or loosen easily. The power drill driver can be operated at 2 different speeds, screw driving or drilling, and you could easily tighten and remove the screws with a forward or reverse switch.